right, we're up and running. Let's go for this drive. Yeah. Whew, brakes are pretty good. I like it. That's real nice. Was out for a testy drivey. And
Hi!
Not Scotty. Scotty didn't even help. Lazy. Ben came, rescued me. It died on me down the street at the Air Museum. And there was fuel all up here and dumping into the primaries. So I said, maybe that float's high. So I put the float down, cranked it over with the pedal down, got it fired up. Ran good, okay, not an issue. Went to the light, started running a little shitty, got going, got to the light here, started getting shitty. Went down to Chiva to turn down here to come back. It died again. Checked the float was fine. And I wasn't getting any fuel up at the accelerator pump. I was like, what the fuck is going on here? So, alright. So I let it sit a minute, put it down to the floor, fired right up. And it was just acting like it was really rich.
Right.
So when it was running, I could see it sputtering, and it was getting wet around here again and coming out of this vent. Now, if you remember, Curt's initial problem when you talked to him at home was it was flooding.
Yeah.
Well, now it has new floats, and it's still flooding, and I know the float height's
right, yeah,
dead
exactly.
on.
Well, you are the carburetor king, so...
So, yeah, that doesn't matter right now. So, I'm curious, we should check his old floats and see if they actually float. Because I'm thinking it's like the Jeep or that car over at Victor's.
That the fuel pump
new mechanical pump,
right.
Or even John's 56.
Yeah.
New mechanical pump putting out too much fuel, and it's sticking the needle and seat wide open and sinking the float. So it's not the float. The float is floating. The float is floaty.
Yeah. It's floating.
So I think our issue here is this pump puts out too much pressure. Oh. Which a lot of the mechanical pumps that you can buy...
And I don't understand why.
Because it's ridiculous. So that pump is a pumping too much pumping. So, I think we need to get him a fuel pressure regulator. So I'm going to shoot him a text, give him a call, send him this video.
Yeah.
Give him a fuel pressure regulator.
Hey, Curt!
Yep. And we'll go from there. And let's go test his other floats real quick, too.
Yeah.